I got a new desk. Oh, a pimple. There's the desk. I drove out to Huntington Beach to pick it up. Huntington Beach, it was like 30 minutes away. Wasn't that bad, I guess. And I'm pulling up to the apartment, and I don't know how I'm gonna take it out by myself because I'm pretty weak. Ooh. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna take it out, but I got a new desk, and I'm excited to paint it up and fix it and make it look all good and pretty. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll keep you posted. I'm on the patio. I got my dresser, and I got some spray paint. So I got black just for the knobs. And then I got a primer. And then I really thought it would be cool if the top was metallic silver. Metallic silver. So it was really hard to get it inside. It's actually quite heavy. One of the cute neighbor guys helped me get it. So that was nice. And I also had to go to Home Depot to get the spray paint. And then I went to Lowe's because I put wheels on it. So I'm gonna try to get to the bottom so I can show you the wheels. Can you see them? So, yeah, I put those wheels on myself. They didn't really fit, but I got them on there. And it seems pretty sturdy and it's easy to move around. So look over here. How it's not. It's just the thing is too big and it's kind of splinting. But I got it. So now I'm gonna spray paint this and then the drawers and we'll see how it turns out. I had to take a break from painting. So I went to my mom's and we ended up at Marshall's and Five Below. And we have Sir. Say hi.
Hi.
And I'm gonna go back home and finish my desk. By this time it should be all dry and good. So here we go. The desk is finally done. I just got back from school and I dragged it from the patio where it was drying last night. And it's here. I mean, I'm no professional, of course, but I think I did a pretty good job. And I like the green, so I left the green that they have. And then, of course, you can see I kind of fucked up some places with my hair. But I guess that's fine. Yeah. And since I have it on the wheels, I was able to move in from the patio, I guess, quite easily. I was able to pull it in. I don't have anything on here. My computer is on my bed. I might not use it, but I made one and it was pretty fun. Oh, one thing. I bought it yesterday. It's a little cactus. Well, I mean, it's nothing yet, but of 1 to 3 months, I guess I should have a cactus growing out of here. So I'm excited to put that on the desk. And my hair's kind of, oh. Okay, so, bye.